As a digital marketer, it's very tough to select a particular tool for our marketing purpose or for our everyday purpose. Do you know why I am smiling? Actually, I am smiling because in the last week we have heard about DeepSeek, which is said as ChatGPT's competitor, and to some extent, it really outperforms. And definitely, people are comparing about or between these two, mainly ChatGPT and DeepSeek. But today, I'm here to guide you about or with the reality. What is the basic difference between DeepSeek or ChatGPT or Gemini in the perspective of digital marketing? That's why I am here and I am making this video for you. But before that, let me introduce myself. I am Shobhan Ghoshal, your digital marketing trainer, and you are watching your channel Biva Technologies. So, this is my computer screen, and here I will show you what I have found and why I am making this video. So, this is my prompt. As a digital marketer, make a detailed comparison among DeepSeek, ChatGPT, Gemini from the digital marketing perspective. This is one of the most crucial questions for every digital marketer. Before choosing a particular tool, before choosing a particular platform, we have to understand, we have to, because in some cases we are depending on the tools. It's not a good practice, but definitely in some cases we have to depend on some tools. Okay, so this is the ChatGPT, and I'm using ChatGPT Plus. I'm a Plus member. You can understand that means I'm using ChatGPT Premium. You can say, or it's a Plus, which costs $20 a month. Okay, and this is a free version of DeepSeek, and the same prompt I have used. Hope you can understand that as a digital marketer, make a digital comparison among, okay. And this is a free version of Gemini 2.0, where I have used the same prompt. At first, I will come with Gemini because Gemini uh, doesn't give more detailed information, it gives a summarized information. And according to Gemini, it focuses with the actual need which we need, with the actual our requirement, that is the feature content creation for blog posts, social media, and ads copy. ChatGPT is excellent, can generate diverse and engaging content. Gemini potentially excellent because they are using their platform, and definitely Google has more data, especially with multimodal capabilities for rich content and less suited for creative content. That means, according to Gemini, if you want to create content for blog post or social media or ad copy, you can depend on these two instead of that one. Okay. Next, the SEO keyword research on page optimization, which is one of the most important job of us. That is, the can assist with keyword research and suggest on page optimization, but requires human oversight. It's definitely, you can understand that as an issue expert, we all have to be manual while we are doing some issue activities. Okay, next, the potentially strong due to Google integration, but could offer deeper insights, but that's not actually right. uh, I think in this case, according to my personal experience, ChatGPT outperforms, and usually useful for technical issue tasks and data analysis. I have not used it till now. Okay, just I am just saying the data which I have got from our particular tool, that is Gemini, and I am sharing with you, and later I will share my opinion about that. Next, social media marketing, content scheduling, community management, these type of things can generate social media posts and assist with community engagement. Potential for creating visual appealing social media content with multimodal capabilities. For that, you have to pay. You have to use its premium version and less suited for direct social media engagement. It uses DALI, and it uses, I don't know which model does it use. Okay. Email marketing can draft email copy and segment audiences based on provided data, and potential for creating personalized email content with richer media. Here, if you use Gmail, uh, Gemini outperforms here, because while you are sending someone a mail, Gemini, if you if you use Gemini, that particular tool can guide you or can create the whole email copy, and an engaging email copy that you can easily send. So you can save your time using Gemini for email marketing, mainly if you're using Gmail. But you can do one thing, you can just use your Gmail, integrate Gemini, and copy that to your business mail. You can use it. Okay. Can help with automating email workflows and data analysis, paid advertisement, the ad generation and targeting, can generate ad copy variations and suggest targeting parameters. But here I have a suggestion: be a copywriter expert, or copywriting expert rather, because it's not always, don't depend on the tools, because tools always give you an average data, an average result. So I will suggest you to be focused on your creativity. That's very important. So no tool, none of them are good for that. Okay. But till potential for creating more engaging ad creatives and multimodal features. Okay. Can assist with data analysis and campaign optimization. These are the very basic things we all know. These three are the very basic things. Analytics and reporting, can analyze marketing data and generate reports. It's good. Potentially very strong with Google Analytics integration, and it is a excellent tool. There is no doubt about data analysis, because we all use Google Analytics, which is Google's tool, and we all know that while it integrates with Gemini, you can get the best insights. Okay, strong for data analysis and generate reports. Marketing automation, can assist with building marketing automation workflows. Potential for creating more sophisticated automation with multimodal features, and strong for building and optimizing automation workflow. Okay, now these are the points which I I think are good for us. Number one, strength and weaknesses of every model. ChatGPT's strength is excellent natural language generation, creative content creation, and easy to use. And additionally, one of the most important parameter which I personally suggest you, ChatGPT is a very good if you use it as a simple chatbot, because a simple chatbot, it is really excellent, or it's a kind of your stuff, it's excellent. Okay. And weakness, can hallucinate facts. It's a very common thing. Requires careful editing, limited data analysis, all these things. Gemini's strength is multimodal capabilities, potential for rich content creation, strong potential for SEO, analytics, and Google integration. To some extent, Gemini, in the perspective of SEO, Gemini outperforms, but you have to use its paid version for that. Okay. And weakness, newer model, full capabilities still being explored, and all these things you can easily understand that. In comparison between ChatGPT and Gemini, I always think ChatGPT outperforms. But In some cases, as a digital marketer, I have seen that ChatGPT has huge limitations in the term of decision making, where Gemini is quite better. As a result, I have got a summarized data of this. Okay. Next, the DeepSeek is strong in code generation. It's very common. Gemini is outperforming in code generation as well. Okay. Data analysis and automation useful for technical issue and marketing operations. And weakness is less suited for creative content creation and direct customer interactions. Okay. And price is, all these things. So for the price, I have told that I am only using ChatGPT Premium or ChatGPT Plus, and the verdict is for creating content, social media, and generating marketing copy, ChatGPT is better. For marketers looking for multimodal content, issue advantages, and deeper analytics, Gemini better. And DeepSeek is for technical issue, marketing automation, and data-driven marketers. DeepSeek is better. Now, I will come to you with this. This is a result of DeepSeek and this is a result of ChatGPT. The previous one means the data of Gemini was a very summarized data, and here everything is explored in detail. So I personally suggest these both are, according to my opinion, better than Gemini in this case. Okay. Next, at first the DeepSeek, at first the ChatGPT. Okay, there is an overview of AI model. Each AI model, it's an overview. It's a AI model, developer, core strength, and best use cases. Okay, and this is the detailed feature comparison for digital marketing. You can use the same prompt and you can get the same data, so there is no problem according to me. Okay, which AI model is best for digital marketing needs? That is the most important segment. Okay, blog writing and issue content, ChatGPT. Technical issue and market research, DeepSeek. Google Ads and PPC, Gemini. Social media content, ChatGPT. Multilingual marketing and localization, DeepSeek. See, this is a very, very, very crucial part. And e-commerce marketing and ads, Gemini, AI chatbot, and customer support. I have told already that ChatGPT is a very good chatbot. And email marketing and copywriting, ChatGPT. But here I have found that Gemini is not bad, but definitely ChatGPT better. So here in this case, according to ChatGPT, these are the strengths you uh, you can use in your marketing. Okay, now the final verdict, which is used for SEO marketing research, DeepSeek, and for content creation and content marketing, social media, all these things, the ChatGPT, and paid ad and Google search marketing, Gemini. That means for creating ad in Google or creating search engine marketing campaign, Gemini is better. And otherwise, these both are good, equally good. Okay, now I will come to you with the most trendy DeepSeek. Okay, the core capabilities feature DeepSeek and ChatGPT Gemini. See, and these are the content creation. In the term of content creation, in the term of issue and analysis, in the term of advertising and campaign, customer engagement, integration, and ease to use, cost and accessibility, and this is the summary. According to my personal opinion, DeepSeek is quite better in terms of understanding our problem. So, as a digital marketer, I will suggest you to follow both of them, and this is very, very, very important. Now, I will come to you with a straightforward answer. Which one should we use in between ChatGPT and DeepSeek? The answer is, if You use the free version, use both. If you are using the paid version of ChatGPT, here DeepSeek is better than ChatGPT Plus. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, please press like button, do comment and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching this video. Take care.